Hello everyone and welcome back. I've just arrived at my camp spot and I'm excited for this one. I've picked this spot for a specific reason, and Lee, I'm back in the Swanage area. This is pretty cool. Any other train, the Southwest trains, no, I'm not that big a fan. Gets you from A to B, but a steam train, I love a steam train. This is called the Station Campsite. It's £20 a night and it's very reasonable. It is up to 6 people, I think, per pitch. You park anywhere. I really wanted a spot down here by the front, but because I got here late after work, it's 6 o'clock now, there was very minimal spaces, but I spoke to my neighbours and there was a bit of a space right by the toilets, which is a bit of a sacrifice, but perfect for me, just so that I could get the prime spot. And the plan is to get it set up, walk to the station, which is only about 5 minutes away, and hopefully go on the train itself. So let's get it set up. Tons of bins for your waste, and this is where you come in. They do also have a snack shack, which is quite good. Didn't see it on the way in, but just spotted it on the way out. But oh, okay, the station is right here. The steam trains have stopped for today, which is a bit annoying. That's my fault, I didn't look properly. So I'm now going to get the train, change my plan slightly, get the train into Swanage and maybe go for a walk up Old Harry's Rocks. Fly at me. So my plan for this campsite was to come here, then I was going to take the steam train or the train towards Corfe Castle and then walk back. Instead, because the steam train is going past the campsite at 10 AM tomorrow, and ideally I did want to set off early so that I could go to Old Harry's Rocks. Old Harry's Rocks? Old Harry Rocks? I don't know. How do you pronounce it? I'm not sure. Welcome to Harmon's Cross. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I think one of the trains is delayed and I don't know what way it's going. So regardless, we're going, when it comes, we're going to get on it and we'll just end up where we end up. Because either way, Swanage is good, Corfe Castle is good.
Even the field is quite busy. Yeah, they've got that there, it's all busy.
I managed to get on a diesel train to Corfe Castle, so I'm just going to have a little explore and then get the train back. Quite a few pubs, so I'm trying really hard not to call Corfe Castle Corfe. My mum's had to tell me quite a few times that that's not the correct way of pronunciating, but you know me, I always get my words mixed up, so it wouldn't be a video without. Welcome to Corfe Castle. This is a National Trust site, so if you have a National Trust card or a National Trust member, you can get in here for free. I actually came here on one of my first solo adventures, so this definitely brings back a lot of memories. The good thing is I didn't have to climb up the massive hill to get here, but it's closed now, unfortunately. Typical. It's probably a good thing that this shop is closed because I definitely would have been in there. And then they've got a National Trust. That bakery is so good. This place is just beautiful. No wonder why this is my third weekend back here in the space of a couple of months. Well, my second in the space of 3 weeks. It is gorgeous. I love the little cottages. Love that this time, although I can't get into any shops or visit Corfe Castle, it's nice and quiet, so I can explore and it's not too busy. I'll see if I can find any of the pictures or videos that I took from Corfe Castle last time I came here a couple of years ago. Wow, this is the waiting area. That is really good. And now back to the campsite. I'm going to go and take a look at the shack. I did bring food with me, but I could be tempted, as always. Dude.
My advice.
Get secured. That was so close. I'm actually really liking using the blanket there instead of putting on the screens outside. I think I might get a curtain there at some point. But I have my fridge, my trusty power bank. Thanks again to Afari for sending that over to me. I am now all tucked up in bed. It's currently 20 to 10 and I haven't stayed in the van since I've been to Scotland, I think, because I've done like wild camping and then a few day adventures since. So I forgot how comfy it is, especially with the panda topper. It's still quite loud outside, so these will come in handy tonight. Plan to get up early tomorrow, so I will see you in the morning. Night. In true Grace style, I have woke up really early. Although it is 7 o'clock now, I was very conscious that I've got people next to me. It is a gorgeous day, and last night I had a really nice sleep. It got quiet about 10:30. I've looked outside this morning and there was a few more campers who have turned up and I did not hear them at all. So yeah, really nice night's sleep. It was also a bit chilly, which I welcomed. I did bring my fan with me just in case, because I've been sleeping with it at home over the past like couple of weeks and I thought I would need it, but I was definitely a bit chilly, which I really liked. Bring on autumn, bring on winter. I'm definitely one of those. It's, yeah, my favourite seasons. The reality. That's me all packed up. Let's get on the road. I've arrived at the car park. They do say that the South Beach car park is the easier access route to Old Harry Rocks, but I saw that there was a National Trust car park which is close by. I'm a National Trust member, which means I get the car parking for free, I think. I'll double check on the machine, but I'm pretty sure. And it's not that far between the two, so I'm happy to walk the extra if I get free parking. They have toilets here and they have a cafe as well. I do need to get some water, so let's get ready. Okay, here's a map. This is where I've parked. South Beach is here, so you can see it's not that far. And then Old Harry Rocks. Yeah. Members park free. I pay like £7 a month for the National Trust membership card, and it's a brilliant. You can obviously go into National Trust sites as well as getting parking like this for free, so £7 is a bargain. I've definitely been more into my audiobooks lately. I don't know, I've been struggling to pick up a book. Bit of honesty box. I don't have any cash, unfortunately. I just want to say a quick thank you. There is now 3,000 of you who are watching my YouTube channel, which I think is absolutely mental. Honestly, half the time, well actually most of the time, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I'm enjoying it. Gets me out on times when I don't feel like I want to get out. Just a massive thank you to each and every one of you who watch my channel, drop a comment, like, share. Yeah, I definitely feel very appreciative. That's South Beach car park, so it wasn't much of a detour, and it was nice to go around the front of the Studland Bay. But this looks like a nice pub. Banks Arms, that looks really nice. And extra seating. Toilets there as well. Here we go with the incline. Better be careful. These leaves are all pink. There were just two young girls walking behind their parents, and they were singing their hearts out, and it just made me smile because not a care in the world, and it's nice to see. Are we there yet? That is so cool. I have to come back next time and paddleboard to there. And you've got the boats doing the tours. Oh my gosh, this is scary. That's not a path, people. I feel like some people probably do go to the edge, but they are mental. Let's go to the other lookout. Does anyone else get really bad intrusive thoughts? Because mine sometimes is jumping off this, which won't end well. Let's keep it an intrusive thought and let's not actually do it. Oh my gosh, there's people swimming. I cannot believe I've got this all to myself. Like, there's no one else here. There might be a bit later, but it's currently 20 to 10. So as always, get here early. It definitely pays to be an early worm. To be an early worm? to be an early bird. Oh, right. Let's get the drone up. strangely, I don't remember coming here before, unless I did when I was really young and I just, yeah, it's been erased from my memory. But it is beautiful, and if you're coming to Swanage, Isle of Purbeck, Studland Bay, then definitely add this to your to-do list, because it is beautiful. It's an easy walk. I'm just heading back to the van now. I am so annoyed I did not bring my swimming costume, because I didn't think I'd have an opportunity to swim, but where I've parked it's right on a beach, so I'm a bit gutted about that. But there is a nudist beach nearby, so I'm definitely not going to that. But I think I've got shorts on, and I've got a gym top which I can wear, so I think, do you know what, I'm just going to make do. Don't know whether you can see in the distance, but it's starting to get a lot more busy. It's now, oh, why is it again? Hold on. It's now 10 o'clock. It's getting very busy, so I was very lucky to have it all to myself. Definitely get here early if you're not a big fan of crowds, which I'm not. Park onto my car park. What an, we've even got fossils. This is the pig. I came the roadway, and that was actually a lot quicker than going round that way. It was still nice to get the best of both worlds. I've pulled together an absolutely god-awful outfit for swimming, but I don't care. Get me in that water. That is so nice. I feel like I'd have to go quite far out. The water's clear, but a bit further down, and there's all that stuff on the. Just have to do a dunk and from here. I'm scared of sharks. You can hire out some adventures here, so climbing, parties. £40 kayaking to Old Harry Rocks is very good, actually. I've only done paddleboarding a few times, and I wouldn't say seeing as I went a tiny bit into the water and I was afraid of sharks, I wouldn't say I'm the most confident in the water, but if I had a guide, in my mind it sounds really good, but when it comes to it, I don't know. I'm now back at the van. I stayed there for a little bit. It was getting very busy. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll probably know that I'm not one to sit around. I definitely can't be on a beach all day. So I was getting ants in my pants. So I've came back to the van, and I'm gonna hit the road, hopefully to avoid some of the traffic. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I've given you a bit of inspiration if you are coming to Swanage or around this area on a few places to come. Thank you so much for watching again. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!